Brave virtue's younger brother, erst hath made my heart a mother. She consults the conscious spheres to calculate her young son's years. She asks if sad or saving powers gave omen to his infant hours. She asks each star that then stood by if poor love shall live or die. Ah, my heart, is that the way? Are these thy beams that rule thy day? Thou know'st a face in whose each look beauty lays ope love's fortune book, on whose fair revolutions wait the obsequious motions of love's fate. Ah, my heart, her eyes and she have taught thee new astrology, how ere love's native hours were set, what every starry synod met. 'Tis in the mercy of her eye, if poor love shall live or die. If those sharp rays putting on points of death bid love be gone, though the heavens in council state, the crown an uncontrolled fate, though their best aspects twinned upon, the kindest constellation cast amorous glances on his birth, and whispered the confederate earth, to pave his paths with all the good that warms the bed of youth and blood. Love has no plea against her eye, beauty frowns and love must die. But if her milder influence move, and gild the hopes of humble love, though heaven's inauspicious eye lay black on love's nativity, though every diamond in Jove's crown fixed his forehead to a frown, her eye a strong appeal can give, beauty smiles, and love shall live. If love shall live, oh where, but in her eye or in her ear, in her breast or in her breath, shall I hide poor love from death? For in the life aught else can give, love shall die, although he live. Or if love shall die, oh where, but in her eye or in her ear, in her breath or in her breast, shall I build his funeral nest? While love shall thus entombed lie, love shall live, although he die.